The internet has altered our daily routines. Nowadays, everything that was once done manually has a digital equivalent. We now live in a time where self-driving cars are ordinary, messages are being delivered almost instantly, and virtual reality is popular. Therefore, you must have the abilities necessary to keep up with the ever-changing technologies. If you don't try to improve your skills, it will be more difficult for you to be effective in even the smallest tasks. Developing these digital skills will enable you to succeed in any environment and open up career advancement options for you. If you're wondering what is the best skill you should learn right now that would greatly impact your professional development, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Lexio. Before we begin, make sure you click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on more of our incredible videos. Number 1. Basic computer literacy. Knowing the fundamentals of technology is more crucial than you might think in this digital world. This information and these abilities are paving the road to more difficult capabilities that will broaden and develop your profession. This includes using simpler programs like Google Sheets and Microsoft Excel, as well as more sophisticated ones like the command prompt and search engine optimization tools. Even if your profession doesn't include technology, you'll probably find yourself in front of a screen more often than you'd like to. Number 2. Email marketing expertise. Was there ever a time when you were busy but managed to find your favorite newsletter in your inbox and set aside time to read it word for word? That is the power of mastering email marketing. Over the past 10 years, email marketing has been used to increase lead conversion, customer engagement, and brand loyalty. Today, almost every website has an email marketing campaign for its users and subscribers, without the technical requirements of email service providers like, for example, MailChimp, Sendinblue, and others. Having strong email marketing abilities will enable you to educate your customers. Number 3. Skills in content marketing. Content marketing has long dominated the digital sphere, and professionals in this industry are in high demand. This digital proficiency goes beyond online authoring. It entails crafting online content in a way that is directly related to keyword analysis and campaign optimization. Blog posts, videos, podcasts, infographics, and even social media status updates are examples of many sorts of content. Even though marketers spend their time honing their keyword and advertising strategies, content is still more valuable in all of them. After all, a website or social media profile is driven by its content, and without it, customers are unable to understand the benefits of an item or a service. Content may position brands or influencers as thought leaders, which is crucial for raising consumer awareness of your company. You may establish yourself for employment in any industry by developing your knowledge and skills in content marketing. Number 4. Copywriting skills. Copywriting is an important component of successful digital marketing and offers a rewarding professional path. Since the invention of the printing press, corporations have been searching for copywriters to assist them in boosting sales. Having this expertise is practically timeless because everything is based on knowledge. The fundamental goal of the copywriter is to present the reader with information that will capture them and inspire them with a call to action. And even if you have perfect grammar and a sizable vocabulary, you still need to enjoy writing to develop the skill and pursue it as a profession. Number 5. Skills in data analytics. Data analytics is one of the most in-demand technology skills right now. Another technology expertise in high demand in our technologically advanced culture is this one. This is because almost every company has a database that needs to be regularly inspected. With this expertise, you can work in any industry, including banking, tech, and agriculture. Every industry needs a data analyst to help with data collection, and this ability can be applied to a variety of tasks, including digital marketing, performance evaluation, and supply chain management. Digital analysts will be more in demand in the upcoming years. making it a necessary ability to learn by 2022. Number 6. Skills in marketing automation. In the world of marketing, it is getting more and more difficult to communicate with clients in the most effective way. Additionally, managing marketing campaigns manually across several channels is challenging. This is where marketing automation comes into play. Learning marketing automation and technology is a significant career booster because it enables you to raise campaign results, provide sales teams with higher quality leads, and provide a better ROI. Learning marketing automation techniques is not as challenging as it may appear, and some systems even let you use no coding if you wish. Number 7. Machine learning and artificial intelligence. One of the digital skills you should focus on in 2022 is artificial intelligence or AI. You don't have to be an AI developer to possess the necessary AI and machine learning skills. Knowing the fundamentals can help you be more effective as you help online firms employ artificial intelligence and machine learning to improve their present products and services. It's important to remember that cloud computing and machine learning are closely related, with the majority of cloud services generating machine learning solutions to common issues. Number 8. Online courses that teach these skills. Traditional teaching methods have been practiced for a while. However, modern online teaching methods are quickly replacing this traditional way of teaching. Educators must become familiar with the technology in use and adjust to the role being played by the internet and video conferencing as a result of the expansion of technology in the education sector. Yet, not every effective instructor has a knack for teaching online. While some would make the class appear to be an interview, certain people can communicate the course's essentials. Online learning has gained popularity as a result of the pandemic for both students and teachers. Number 9. Skills in graphic design. Graphic design is one of the most promising professions for young professionals, and possessing this talent opens up more employment chances across industries. In businesses including web technology, advertising, printing arts, multimedia branding, and identity transformation, there is a great demand for design services. One of the many things a talented graphic designer is capable of is altering the shapes and colors of already existing images and objects. For anyone, being able to express a thought through sketches or drawings is a great plus. If you look around, you could come across several examples of graphic design work, such as book covers, magazine covers, billboards, television, screensavers, product labels, and packaging. Having the expertise does not require you to be a graphic designer, although there is always a need for them. It might be beneficial for other things like presentation slides and better decision-making in advertising. Number 10. Web development and coding skills. The most important digital skill to master in this decade, according to many, is coding. You must have the necessary skills and information to adjust to the needs of the business. Businesses have been steadily moving to the web since the dot-com era, and with this transformation has come to the need for experienced developers to support it. As a result of the increasing demand for programmers and the lack of qualified candidates to fill open positions, salaries have increased and shareholder rivalry has also increased. There are coders employed in practically every industry. Coding, for instance, can be used for risk management, compliance with digital marketing, and quality control. Number 11. Skills in search engine marketing. In 2018, the cost of search advertising on a global scale was $124.1 billion, and it is now much higher. A valuable skill for increasing the visibility of websites on search engine result pages is search engine marketing or SEM, and it is one of the most important skills that organizations and marketers have come to rely on. You'll be able to focus your campaigns on particular keywords and target audiences more effectively than most individuals can if you have the right search engine marketing abilities. Additionally, you'll be able to benefit from products like PPC advertising toolkits The majority of businesses compete online to draw clients by surpassing their rivals in the sales of goods and services. Online sales have increased since the pandemic, particularly for e-commerce platforms. Nowadays, businesses must contend for clients where exposure determines success. With this, having experience with search engine marketing will make you stand out to employers and boost the profits of your company. Number 12. Skills in data visualization. The representation of data in an understandable way is known as data visualization. All websites, applications, and digital services must have this functionality, so they require a skilled designer who can create a practical, dynamic user interface. One skill that can never be overstated is the ability to represent complex facts to aid management in making important business decisions. Corporate executives utilize it to get illuminating insights from data. The ability to effectively analyze large data sets gives you an advantage in management and enables you to make important business decisions. Large datasets are meaningless if they can't be understood. Data visualization may enhance your capacity for digital communication and content creation. It will improve your portfolio and it will give you a distinct advantage on the job market if you are able to display data in a way that is vibrant, visually appealing, and effective. Number 13. Skills in managing social media. Some of the best public relations campaigns in the world are run almost entirely on social media sites like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and Reddit. These platforms enable digital companies to communicate with consumers and influencers directly. The position of social media manager may not have existed 15 years ago, but these days, almost every firm is engaged in social media. As the face and voice of your company on social media managers should at least have conversational skills and empathy to help your customers. Number 14. Skills in cloud computing. Cloud computing has risen to the top of the list of employable skills since the pandemic and the gradual global shift toward remote learning and work. Nowadays, the majority of companies and corporations prefer to outsource database storage and non-sensitive information to outside services. Cloud computing is a real thing. It is essential for the operations of all sizes of enterprises. Consequently, there is a demand for qualified personnel who can manage, organize, and keep track of the platforms. It is quite clear when a skilled cloud computing expert is present in a group. Among its benefits are data recovery and excellent security. Number 15. Skills in digital marketing. Every business needs a marketer to advertise its products and services. Digital marketing is necessary for middlemen and business-to-business models as well as for companies that deal directly with customers. You must be knowledgeable with analytics, software, social media marketing, user experience, and search engine optimization to succeed as a digital marketer. And even while marketing channels may alter, the demand for employees with these skills will endure. Conclusion: major corporations now understand the value of digital skills and how they affect performance as a whole. Some of these abilities have evolved into prerequisites for applying for specific jobs, and some businesses even go so far as to enroll their employees in specialized training courses to keep them up to date on the latest technological developments. Now, which of these skills would you add to your list? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. As always, thank you for supporting us. If you enjoy seeing videos like this, make sure you give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring and valuable content. We'll see you in the next video.